In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see send follow requests on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, tap right here to go to your profile. Then tap at these three lines. After that, tap at Account Center here at the top. Then scroll down a bit until you find your information and permissions. And on the next step, we need to tap at Download your information. So the first thing here we need to do is download our Instagram data, and then in there we'll find all of our send follow requests. I'm gonna show you all the process step by step. So first off, we need to tap right here at Download or Transfer Information. After that, select your Instagram account and then hit Next. Tap at Some of your information. Then scroll down until you find Connections. Hit right here at Select All next to Connections and then hit Next. After that, make sure Download to Device is selected. Hit Next. Here I recommend you to pay attention to this option, which is called Date Range. By default it is set to last year, however we can change it from last week up to all the time. I'm gonna select all time and then hit Save. After that, we need just to tap right here at Create Files, and we'll be taken to the next step where we can easily check all our requests. Here's the current one. It says in progress, so it can take some time until our data will be ready for downloading. Now we just have to wait for a while, and then we can come back to this page later and check if this information is now available for download. Just go to that page again and hit and download your information to refresh this data. As you can see, it is already available for downloading. Here we can see this download option. Now I'm going to tap on it. On that step, we need to enter our Instagram password, and once it is done, just hit at Continue. After that, you will be taken to Safari web browser, and in this pop-up we just need to hit at Download. After that, we need to go to the Files app. It is official Apple application to manage files on your device, and by default it is pre-installed on any iPhone. If you cannot find it on your home screens, just swipe down to bring up Search and then search for Files. If you cannot find it even here, then you need to head over to the App Store and download it from there. I'm just gonna open up Files. Then first off, we need to enter to the Browse page, which is kind of a home page on the Files application. After that, we need to go to the On My iPhone directory. That's where we can easily find downloads. And here we are looking for that file. It starts with Instagram and then our username. I'm going to tap on it. It will immediately unarchive this zip archive into a folder. Then we need to enter this folder, tap Add Connections, then Followers and Followings. And after that, here we need to search for a file which is called Pending follow requests. Unfortunately, I do not have any pending follow requests on my Instagram account, so this file is not here. But if you have it, just tap on it to open it up. I can in here tap Add any other file, just like that, and here it will show me all the users. In this case, it is recently unfollowed accounts. However, in the exact the same way, you can easily find send follow requests on Instagram. And then you will be able to tap at any user's username to go to their Instagram profile, and then let's say you can cancel your request by hitting somewhere here. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.